Alright guys, about time to get this Taco Tuesday on. Got some more beef tongue tacos, only from a different place this time, so we're gonna see how they do it. We also have some steak taco kind of thrown in there, you know. Throw some of the salsa on here. See how these are tasting on Taco Tuesday. I already like the presentation better. One tortilla instead of two. Texture's good. I like it. So this was real quick. I got here from Uber in like 15 minutes. And texture's good. They're nice and hot. I definitely like this beef tongue from this restaurant. Definitely. They did not, however, have the grilled intestines option, which was a little disappointing, but if tongue is all I can get on Taco Tuesday for lunch, I'm okay with it. These are so good, and it's fresh. Not too spicy though. The salsa's not too spicy, but we can work on that later, right? Like I can bring some spicier sauce with me, and we can spice up these tacos later. Because that's 2 tacos down, and they were delicious. So I'm definitely going to order from this place again. I'll just have to bring some spiciness with me. They're falling apart, and it is delicious. Oh man, that was so good. Okay guys, I lied. That was not steak. That was regular beef. So it was tongue and just regular beef. I'm gonna have to look, make sure that's what I ordered. But either way, it's delicious. And now I got some rice that I'm gonna dump in here and do like I do. Mix up all this meat and cheese and salsa I got in here with the rice. Or not. That is the salsa. I did not get my rice. Or did I not order it? I don't think I ordered it. Okay. Well, messed up on that one, guys. Should have ordered some rice. Oh well. Oh well. Either way, definitely gonna have to go back to this place. Do like a whole taco tour and just eat from everywhere. Alright guys, that was delicious. Now I got some chips and some salsa for later. Another wonderful tongue taco adventure.